Greetings and welcome. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for video sessions. This is video session on electrical analogy for radiation. This is a alternative approach to solve the problem of heat exchange between two surfaces, that is gray surfaces. So in this session we will able to explain electrical analogy for radiation. The process of relative heat exchange between the different surfaces takes place in presence of non-participation of medium or a participating medium. So for the analysis, following are the assumptions. All surfaces have uniform properties over whole extent. Each surface is considered to be either gray or black, and absorptivity of surface is independent of temperature of the source of the incident radiation. So now we'll see electrical analogy for radiation. It is an alternative approach for analyzing radiation heat exchange between gray or black surfaces. This is a circuit diagram. In this, J1 and J2 are the radiosity. This Q12 is a heat exchange between two surfaces. Potential difference is a J1 minus J2, and this is a resistance 1 upon A1 F12, where F12 is a shape factor. Consider heat flow between two black surfaces at temperature T1 and T2. So we have this equation. Arranging the terms, we have this equation. Q12 is equal to sigma into T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 divided by 1 upon A1 F12. Now in this case, comparing this, we have this numerator, that is equivalent potential difference, means it is a J1 minus J2, and this is a denominator, that is equivalent resistance. Now this is formula when we consider heat exchange between surface 1 to 2, and this is a heat exchange between surface 2 1. So these two formulas can be used. So now we will study what is surface resistance. We know that black body emits maximum possible radiation and its emissivity is taken as 1. However, gray bodies emit less radiation due to surface properties, and hence their emissivities are taken as less than 1. Therefore, emission of radiation from gray bodies is always less than that of black body. This lesser emission is conceptually assumed to be caused due to resistance offered by the surface of the body, and which is called as surface resistance. So for the gray surfaces, plane surfaces, we have these two equations of resistance. This is a resistance for surface 1, and this is a resistance formula for surface 2. So for surface 1, area is A1, for surface 2, area is A2. Emissivity for surface 1 epsilon 1 and emissivity for surface 2 epsilon 2, which appears in this formula. So let us have radiation heat exchange between two infinite parallel planes, means gray surfaces. This is a electrical approach, that's why this is a diagram. This is a potential difference J1 minus J2, means sigma into temperature difference T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4. These are the three resistances we consider. R1, this is R2, and this is the resistance for non-absorbing medium between the two surfaces. So this is a formula. Q12 is equal to, at the numerator, this is the potential difference, divided by, at the denominator, these are the three resistances, and this total is what? Equivalent resistance as per the electrical analogy approach. So in this case, as A1 A2 means areas are same, that is equal to A, and shape factor for 1 to 2 heat exchange is 1. Thus the equation comes Q12 is equal to sigma A into bracket T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 divided by this expression. So this is the equation for gray surface. Already this equation we have obtained in last video by another approach. Now the radiation heat exchange between two concentric infinite long gray cylinders. For this, now this is a electrical analogy diagram. So in this case, again the formula for the cylinder Q12 is equal to, this is the numerator, that is potential difference, and these are the three resistances which are shown here. Now in this case, F12 is a 1, as inner cylinder is completely enclosed by cylinder 2. So thus this F12, in next step F12 we will write as a 1. So here 1 upon A1 comes, and this 1 upon A1 we take common from these three terms. So we find this equation. By simplifying the equation, we have this. Now we already know that these are the cylinders. So surface area for cylinder 1, that is 2 pi R1L. Surface area for outer cylinder A2, that is 2 pi R2L. Cancellation of 2 pi L from numerator and denominator, we have A1 by A2 is equal to R1 by R2. Now radiation heat exchange between two concentric spheres. Here in this case only difference will be in the areas. So A1 by A2 will be equal to area of sphere 4 pi R1 square, that is inner sphere, and A2 is a surface area of outer sphere, means 4 pi R2 square. Cancellation of 4 pi from numerator and denominator, we have A1 by A2 is equal to R1 square by R2 square. So at the end of this session, you can explain electrical analogy for radiation. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for further video sessions. Thank you.